Hi. Welcome to the first video in our Introduction to C# tutorial series. In this video, we will provide an overview of C# and discuss its importance in the programming world. What is C#? C# is a versatile and powerful programming language developed by Microsoft. It was introduced in the early 2000s as part of the .NET framework, and it has since become one of the most popular programming languages worldwide. Importance of C#. C# has gained significant importance in the programming world for several reasons. 1. Object-oriented approach. C# is an object-oriented programming language, which means it allows developers to create modular and reusable code. This approach enhances code organization, improves maintenance, and facilitates collaboration among developers. 2. Versatility. C# is a versatile language that can be used to develop a wide range of applications, including desktop applications, web applications, mobile apps, games, and more. It provides extensive support for various programming paradigms, such as procedural programming, functional programming, and event-driven programming. 3. Integration with .NET Framework. C# is tightly integrated with the .NET Framework, which provides a rich set of libraries and tools for building robust applications. The .NET Framework offers a comprehensive ecosystem that simplifies development tasks, enhances productivity, and ensures cross-platform compatibility. 4. Widely used in the industry. C# is widely adopted in the industry, especially for Windows-based development. Many large-scale enterprises, software companies, and startups rely on C# for building enterprise-level applications, web services, and cloud-based solutions. 5. Career opportunities. Proficiency in C# opens up a world of career opportunities for developers. With its wide usage and demand in the job market, learning C# can lead to lucrative careers in software development, game development, web development, and more. Conclusion. C# is a powerful and versatile programming language that plays a crucial role in the programming world. Its object-oriented approach, versatility, integration with the .NET framework, widespread usage, and career prospects make it an essential language to learn for aspiring developers. Thank you for watching this overview of C#. In the next video, we will dive into setting up the development environment for C#. Stay tuned and happy coding.